So species of Coccidia. So there's a couple common ones that you might have heard of. Does anybody know of some of the names? Any common ones you might have heard of? They're all fancy names. So the main one that you might have heard of is Isospora. And that's the most common one you're going to deal with in a shelter setting. Some other ones are Sarcocystes, Toxoplasma, which is what Dr. Berliner talked about before, and Neospora caninum are some of the common ones you might encounter. So the way Coccidia are named, even scientists are pretty confused about this. There's been a lot of changes and updates recently, and they're trying their best to kind of classify each species so we know exactly what we're dealing with. It's based on the number of sporozoites, which are the motile infective cell. So they're the cell that is going to break out in the gastrointestinal system and cause infection. And they're this oval cell right here, and they're the ones that reproduce. The sporocysts, they're the resting cells that contain the sporozoites. So they're these oval cells right here, and you can have a variety of them inside the egg, which is this thick-walled, resistant structure, which means that in the environment, they can survive pretty well on their own.